Household item that might be increasing your risk of cancer. It's shocking to think that every item we use could be harmful, but knowledge is power. By the end of this video, you will know how to make your home safer. So let's get started. Number 1. Non-stick cookware. Non-stick pans are stable in many features, but did you know they could be dangerous? These pans are coated with polytetrafluoroethyl, commonly known as Teflon. When heated at high temperature, Teflon can release toxic chemicals including perfluorooctanic acid, which has been linked to cancer. So what you can do? You can use stainless steel, cast iron or ceramic cookware. If you want to use non-stick cookware, never heat it above 500 Fahrenheit and ensure the coating is not scratched or damaged. Number 2. Air freshener and scent candles. We all love a fresh smelling home, but air fresheners and scent candles often contain harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene. These substances are known carcinogenic and also cause respiratory issues. What you can do? Use natural alternatives like essential oils. Look for product label as free from phthalates and other harmful chemicals. Number 3. Cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain chemicals that can be harmful when inhaled or absorbed through the skin. Ingredients like ammonia, chlorine, and phthalates can increase risk of cancer over time. What you can do? Use natural cleaning solutions like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Check label and choose product with fewer toxic ingredients. Number 4. Plastic containers. Plastic containers, especially those are not labeled as PBA free, can leach chemicals into your food and drinks. Bisphenol A, PBA, is an endocrine disruptor linked to various cancer. What you can do? Switch to glass or stainless steel containers. Avoid heating food in plastic containers even if they are microwave safe. Number 5. Personal care products. Shampoo, lotions, and cosmetics often contain parabens and phthalates, which are hormone disruptors and have been linked to cancer. Additionally, talcum powder has been under scrutiny for its potential link to ovarian cancer. What you can do? Choose product with natural ingredients. Look for labels that say paraben free and phthalate free. Number 6. Processed food. Processed food often contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrite, which can form cancer-causing compounds. Additionally, artificial color and flavor have been linked to various health issues. What you can do? You can use fresh and whole food as much as possible. Read labels and avoid products with long list of artificial ingredients. Number 7. Carpets and upholstery. Carpets and upholstery are harbor dust, mites, mold, and chemicals from flame retardants. Long-term exposure to these can increase risks of respiratory issues and cancer. What you can do? Regularly clean and vacuum your carpets and upholstery. Consider using natural fiber carpet and upholstery without flame retardants. So these are the 10 surprising household items that could be increasing your risk of cancer. While it might be overwhelming to think about, taking a small step to reduce your exposure can make a big difference. Remember, the goal is not to create fear, but to empower you with knowledge to make healthier choices for you and your family. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. Stay safe and stay healthy.